Aït-Nouri, one last chance for Wolves. Back to Trincao and Chiquinho plays it in. Still cleared! Right to the death! It's Connor Cody! And Wolves with a huge comeback against Chelsea. That is massive. Chelsea 2, Wolves 2. And from what was elation for Chelsea, now turns to disappointment.
Well, what a finish to this game. It's been a brilliant game overall. Wolves thoroughly deserve this equaliser, and it's Connor Cody, the most unlikely of scorers. It's absolutely inch perfect. And bang, it's in the back of the net. What a finish to this game.
Well, Romelu Lukaku was watching on, and the disappointment for him, who scored Chelsea's 2 goals. Wolves have found 2 back. Welcome to the Premier League, Todd Boehly.
I mean, it has had the feel.